Hi everyone, we are a group called Plastic Free from Tagbilaran City, Bohol. It was very tiring because of a lot of walking. Yes, and the traffic. But now I'm enjoying it because of this paint war. Yes. Yeah. Yes! Number 9. For champion.
Manguli, nagkahuman!
Manguli kay wala na kwarta!
Yes! Kasi na, ugma!
Yes! Klase na may ugma, kay wala po may kwarta, manguli na may. My message to the people, Chares. My message is that ma-healthy gyapon mi and healthy among friendship gyapon and ma-success po mi sa life para more travels to come with our friends. Bye!